That's a great idea. How he got his camera in that bag.
Oh yeah.
So we're trying to get a camera and they want $30. Yeah, I should have went to the States and when I was in the States, give me a walk. It was like $20. That's still
I've been done it since I dropped the tranny out of my Taurus. And the only gear I had was reverse. Ready? 1, 2, 3. We'll take one more just in case. Oh, I love that. Yes.
Alright, if you see that bird come diving for me, let me know. Give me a heads up. It'll fucking take me right away.
I'll grab you. I'll grab on you. Well, fine. I won't.